So I've been testing the Calibre Sentry Pro for a while now, and in this video, I want to break down whether it's actually worth your money in 2026 or if it's just overhyped marketing. First impressions? The build quality is honestly better than I expected. It feels solid, not cheap plastic, and it has that industrial-grade design vibe that makes you think it's built for real use, not just looks. Setup was pretty straightforward. I had it running in under 10 minutes, and the interface is simple enough that you don't need a manual sitting next to you. That's a big win if you're not super technical. In real-world use, the Sentry Pro does what it promises. Detection is fast, alerts are loud and clear, and I didn't notice any major lag or missed triggers during testing. In busy environments, it actually holds up surprisingly well. Now the big question: value for money. It's not the cheapest option out there, but you're paying for reliability and consistency rather than gimmicks. So my verdict? If you need a dependable monitoring or safety system, the Calibre Sentry Pro is absolutely worth considering in 2020. If you just want the cheapest option though, you might want to look elsewhere.